Hi there, this is Ashley, a technical writer on the documentation team at cPanel. Today I'm going to show you how to assign and manage access privileges for Manage2 users and groups. Before getting started, you need a Manage2 user account. If this is your first time logging in, go ahead and use the login and password that cPanel provided you. If you're already logged into another cPanel website, the system will automatically log you into the Manage2 interface. Okay, let's get logged into Manage2. On my dashboard, I'll select Add an Access IP from Manage2's security feature menu here. I'm now in the Add an Access IP interface. So I want to add the user John to my access list because he's a pretty reliable guy. I'm going to select his email address, john@example.com, from the user menu here, then enter his IP address, 10.0.0.1, in the provided access IP address text boxes. If I wanted to use a range of IP addresses, I can use a wildcard or asterisk character in the last text box. For security reasons, cPanel highly recommends that you do not use the wildcard character in the third octet or the third text box. Doing so will allow an entire Class B address range access to your Manage2 account. Now that I've finished entering John's information, I'll click Add to save my changes. A confirmation interface lets me know that it successfully added John to my access IP list. We're good to go. Let's return to the Manage2 dashboard. So I've decided that I want to remove John from my access IP address list, since it turns out he's not so reliable. To do this, I'll select Manage IP Access from the security menu. Once I'm in this interface, I can view all of the IP addresses with access permissions. Since John's IP address is 10.0.0.1, I'll click Remove by this address. The confirmation interface display shows me that it successfully removed that IP address's access from my list. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. I've included a link to our Manage2 documentation in the video description below. For more information about cPanel, the hosting platform of choice, visit us at cpanel.com or follow @cpanel on Twitter. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.